Hello guys! Sa lahat po ng hindi na makapag-set up ng kanilang in-stream ads kahit meron na po sila or available na to set up is hindi na po talaga magpo-proceed yan or hindi na kayo talaga makakapag-set up ng in-stream ads. Sad news ito kung wala ka pang content monetization. Pero guys, hintayin nyo yung update ng content monetization beta kasi sasabay po ito pati po yung inyong bonuses and ads on Reels. So, once na sinet up nyo yan, ito po yung magiging notification. So, ito guys, in-stream ads is now part of content monetization. New application for in-stream ads are posts. You can experience in-stream ads on Reels, and performance bonus as a unified monetization program. So, kahit po dito sa may baba is wala na siyang ready for setup. Kasi nga po no October 4, ito po yung